Sound Cube Playful Learning. Prepare to be surprised. This amazing speaking cube will become the little one's favorite toy. All you need to do is turn it and listen. Red butterfly. Green frog. Blue fish. Turn it again and find out who lives on the MacDonald farm.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
Colors, numbers, ABCs, shapes, farm and zoo animals. 6 active sites. 8 amusing tunes, 12 funny phrases, 17 cute sounds. First animals, best songs, and first knowledge. Find your own unique smart toy. Sound Cube. It's so much fun to play and get knowledge.
Easy toys, playing to get smart.